Do you want to block someone on Twitter X? You can block people on X account with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To block someone on Twitter X. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on the search icon. Now, use the search bar to find the account you want to block. From the search results, find and tap on the account that you want to block. You can also block their profile from your feed. Now, you are on your friend's X profile. At the top right of their profile, tap on the three-dot menu icon. A menu will appear with different options. From the list, tap on the block option. A confirmation pop-up will appear on the screen. Tap on block again to confirm. Now, the selected user will be blocked on your X account, and they will no longer be able to follow or interact with you.